That was funny.
Go ahead.
You fall?
Yeah.
See how it looks? Let me know what you think in the comments.